Hi there, students. The Readies. This is talking about cash, money. I'm a bit short of the Readies at the moment. Come on, give me the Readies and I'll let you have the car. Because if you don't have the Readies, then I'm not going to let you have it. Either you pay me in cash or not. So the Readies, the cash. I slipped him a bundle of Readies to persuade him to do it. Okay, I can usually lay my hands on some Readies if I really have to. Okay, so Readies, to have available money, to have cash, this is a very British thing. I'm a bit short of the Readies at the moment. I haven't got a great deal of money. Have you got any Readies? Because all I've got is my credit card. So notice the Readies are not normally something, a credit card or something like that. The Readies are ready money. Yeah, money that you are ready to pay with now, specifically in banknotes. He's always short of the Readies. He's never got enough. I wonder what he's always doing with his money, because he's always the last one to part with his Readies. Okay, so this is a British phrase. This is a slang British phrase. The Readies. The Readies is talking about ready cash, available money, money that is ready to spend right now. Not money I'll pay you tomorrow, I'll pay you next week. No, the Readies are the are cash in hand right now. Okay, so the Readies. Have you got the Readies? The lolly, the dough, the loot, the cash, the moolah, the folding green, yeah, the gelt, the spondulics, the brass, the dosh. Yeah, there are millions of words for money, but the Readies, ready cash, ready to pay here and now. So I've got the Readies, and I'm going to pay him right now, because if I haven't got the Readies, he's not going to do the work for us. Okay, formality. Firstly, this is British formality. 2.5, 3 informality. In a very informal situation, and don't use it anywhere else. Don't use it in an informal conversation. Yeah, the Readies, the cash, and the origin is Readies, ready money. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The Readies.